Welcome everyone to Quick Learning, and in this video, I will be showing 5 easy tips and tricks for Windows 10. Let's get into the video. First is the Windows Ultimate Power mode. Now, you can use this mode when you need your computer to give its maximum performance. The only downside, however, is that it's not energy efficient, so you might want to use this only when you really need it. You won't have it by default, so let's activate it. Go to your Start menu and look up Command Prompt. There, just paste the command that I put in the description below. Press enter and you can close the command prompt. Next is to again head on over to the Start menu, Settings, System, Power and Sleep, and go to Additional Power Settings. Click on the drop down arrow and there you can see that you have the Ultimate Performance option. Again, this trades energy for performance. You can easily go back to the preferred plans if you want to prioritize energy efficiency. Alternatively, if you want good performance without having to sacrifice your energy, we can turn off the apps running in our background. Click on the Start menu, Settings, Privacy, then head on over to Background Apps. You can either turn them all off or individually select the ones you want to keep running in the background. When working on projects or schoolwork, we tend to get stacked up on multiple tabs in Windows that being able to switch between them swiftly is essential and extremely convenient. That's why on Microsoft Edge, there is an option to switch between your tabs by simply using AltTab. While it shows your open tabs, it also shows the applications running on your computer. To optimize this, we can head over to Settings, System, Multitasking, and open the settings for AltTab. You can open Windows and all tabs in Edge, show the 5 most recent tabs, and 3 most recent. If you're not fond of this feature, you can simply turn it off by choosing Open Windows only. Now there is an easy way to quickly snip anything from your desktop. We're familiar with the snipping tool, but Windows 10 has moved it to the Snip in Sketch. But it's much more convenient with its shortcut that allows you to snip and share instantly. Press Ctrl-Shift-S on your keyboard and from there you can snip anywhere you like. Freeform snip, snip a window, or snip your whole screen. You can edit and sketch on the snip, zoom into it, save it to your computer, copy it, or share it to your contacts in Microsoft. Now for personalization, if you love the dark mode, Windows 10 has that feature where you can have your apps and everything else in dark mode. Go to Settings, Personalization, Colors, and you can see the options for dark mode. Hit dark under the default app mode, and now you can see that you have dark mode for your settings, File Explorer, and pretty much anything. You can also change the color accents. And that is it for our top 5 tips and tricks for Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you.